Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been a while since I've done this analysis, so as we head into the long holiday weekend, as a friendly reminder, the markets are closed on Friday. So as we head into the weekend here, want to get a couple of really two main levels that stand out here. And the first level that really stands out, and this is not a great discovery on my part, I assure you lots of people have taken notice of this level, right down here at $11.90. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, you can see $11.90 did a good job of holding strong there, held strong once again, and then you look at today, and sure, the price didn't quite hit it, but once again, got within the general vicinity of $11.90 and held strong. So more of the story here, that's a level that a whole lot of people will be watching and continuing to wonder, can it hold as support? And I emphasize a lot of people, because when a lot of people are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but when those levels come into play, they can create some very dynamic movements. And like I said, you just say, well, it's just a self-fulfilling prophecy. True, but I mean, my argument always is, well, if there's self-fulfilling prophecies that exist, then me as a trader, I want to know what those prophecies are. And 1190 is going to be that from the support side of things. And then on the flip side, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, the level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching going forward, going to be right up there at 1265. Once again, going through the history of the chart, you can see 1265, rejected the price. Fake breakout right there. So the price got above it, but then that didn't last very long, and the price quickly snapped back below it. So that was another area of resistance, right, or another time it got rejected. But the point here being, and maybe the quick summary of this would just be 30-minute time frame, sideways channel. That's it. I mean, that's essentially what the price has done all week long. Just bounce between those two levels. Again, bottom of the channel support, 1190, top of the channel resistance up there at 1265. So really, that's the best way to look at this, and not much can be said until something happens. And again, something happening would be either a breakout to the upside or break down to the downside. So grab your Sour Patch Kids, grab your popcorn, and let's see what eventually happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.